In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily translate your documents using Canva's built-in translation feature. Whether you're working on a presentation, creating social media graphics, or designing a newsletter, there might be times when you need to make your content available in multiple languages. Canva makes that process simple and efficient, so let's dive in. First things first, open Canva on your computer or device. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find all your ongoing projects or simply start a new one if you have a fresh document to work on. Now, before we jump into the translation feature, you'll want to make sure your file is prepared and ready. Check over your design, double-check any text for errors, and ensure everything is laid out just as you want it for your base language. This is the version that will serve as the template for all your translations. On the left sidebar, you'll find a variety of different options and tools. Among them, look for the Apps section. Click on it, and you'll see a range of apps and extensions that can enhance your Canva experience. What we're looking for is within this section. In the search bar, type Translate. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear, and once you see the Translate app, click on it to open. At this point, you'll notice a tool that says Translate To, which is designed to help you translate text from one language to another with ease. Click on Select Language to open a drop-down menu where you'll find a host of languages to choose from. Find the language you want to translate your document into. It could be a common one, like Spanish or French, or perhaps a more specific dialect that you need for your audience. Once you've selected your desired language, simply click Translate. Within moments, Canva will translate the text in your document into the language you've selected. You'll see the translated text replacing the original, fitting perfectly within your design. And just like that, you've effectively adjusted your content to serve a new audience or market. Keep in mind that you can repeat this process for different languages if you have multiple audiences. Just go back to the Select Language menu and choose another language, following the same steps to translate as needed. This flexibility makes Canva a powerful tool for anyone needing to communicate across language barriers. So, there you have it, an easy and efficient way to translate your files using Canva. With just a few clicks, you're broadening your reach and ensuring your message is understood wherever it needs to be heard. Thanks for watching and happy designing.